Hello, well we're grounded today, so we thought we'd do a bit of cooking.
Yeah.
So this is Trev and Dave in the kitchen in, where are we?
Howdens.
And we've been down the supermarket and we've got a load of ingredients, and I'm having stew. I'm going to cook a stew. And what are you having, Dave?
Oh, it's like potatoes and vegetables and things with a bit of sausage in it.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So you've got all the ingredients for that, then? Yeah. Well, I've managed to get all the ingredients, and luckily in Germany you can get all the ingredients all in a tin.
Yeah, well that's funny because mine's the same. Oh.
So let's get the old stove going and we'll get cooking. We've been sat here all afternoon, drinking beer.
You never know.
And now it's tea time.
Never know. Yeah, lots of potato, a bit of carrot in there. Lovely. The German sausage. What's it called? Wurst. Right, we'll get the simmer lid on. Awesome.
Ooh, what? Just looks like soup to me. Right. Beer?
Oh, be rude not to. Absolutely. Cheers.
Cheers.
Better cook the bread up then.
Yeah.
Is that reindeer? Is that reindeer soup?
Oh yeah.
Reindeer soup. Well, it says reindeer.
Well,
we think it's reindeer.
Reindeer soup. Yeah. So, because we've been to the Arctic,
that's reindeer soup.
It's reindeer soup.
Yeah, it's reindeer soup.
It's reindeer soup. So
definitely.
That's it.
Yeah, reindeer soup.
Right.
I'm going to get a couple of spoons.
Rightio. Couple of spoons you prepared earlier.
Absolutely, yeah. Here they are. As if by magic. Should have got some butter, shouldn't we? Really?
Yeah, should have done, yeah. Is there any in that fridge?
No.
No,
I'll have a look, but I
I
don't
don't
think
think I'd fancy it anyway, to be honest.
I'll have a look. I'll have a look. No. We've got whipped cream or hot dog sauce.
Right.
Not the same really, is it? No. It's raining again.
So these must be... where's the reindeer? There ain't much reindeer in here. There you are.
Oh, there's a bit.
A couple of bits of reindeer.
There you go.
Looks like 2% reindeer and 90% pasta, and then a few other bits and pieces to make the rest of it up.
Yeah, there's not a lot in there, is there? I think I've got kind of 90% potato, 8% carrot. Oh, there's a bit of sausage. Yeah. Possibly 2% sausage.
Yeah. You like a bit of sausage?
Just a little. Oh, it tastes alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's cold, but it tastes alright.
Mm.
Be alright in a minute. Well, I think the worst places to be.
Yeah. Yeah, we've got a fair view. We've been watching the red kite fluttering about.
Yeah. Listening to all sorts. Yeah. Drinking beer.
Yeah. Yeah, we've had a few beers.
What time did we start? About 1 o'clock.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, there's not much else to do. Can't go anywhere. It's raining every 5 minutes. Well.
Yeah, get in there.
Not bad, not bad.
That's nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Then back on there in a minute. Yeah. Warm?
Yeah.
Nice
Yeah,
one.
it's doing alright, that is.
Yeah, it's bubbling away in there. Bit of reindeer soup, that is.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's about there, really.
Yeah. Bubbling away quite nicely. We'll give it a stir. It's basically potato soup with sausage.
Yeah.
Essentially, that's what it is.
Or is that sausage soup with potato?
Well, no, I'd say it's mostly potato soup with sausage. Yeah. Wow, quite warm. Right, better. A lid on it.
Simmer mode.
I've gone into nothing mode now.
Just in case I want to get a bit more heat in it.
Yeah, I've slowed it down now. Might just get it going again. Leave it in simmer mode. Very, very much simmer mode. Before it's ready. Oh, pretty bad.
Yeah, it's good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right. Go on for it then. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's nice.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. Thicker version of yours, I think. Yeah.
Right, that's good. There you go. That's the first episode of Trev and Dave in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Trev and Dave's Kitchen Adventures.
Yes.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.